Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to see message without sin. So in this following video I will guide you to see message without sin. Now to see the message without sin you need to simply follow the steps shown in the video. So let's get started. Now to do so you need to simply connect to Wi-Fi on a device and open Messenger app on a device. Now this video is only for iOS user because you'll only be able to see message without sin on iOS, and you can also do the same on Android also, but it is a bit difficult than iOS. Now to watch the message without sin on Messenger, you need to simply open Messenger, and as you can see the message is pending at the very top of my page. But if I say this message without sin, then if I want to see this message without sin, then you need to simply long press on the group, and as you can see I am able to read the message without seeing the message going inside the group. Now you'll also see the option of mark as read, mute, ignore, archive, leave chat, delete and all. This is how you can see the message without seen on Messenger. And you may also do with other persons, so you may also click on the random person name or the person name you want to see the message. So as you can see I can do it easily. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.